Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is such a great little selfie stick from SelfieShow.
I love how simple the design of this selfie stick is. It is so light and compact, and it has everything that you need. It can fit a variety of different phones, and I love how it has this amazing stable tripod bottom, so you can go from holding it in your hand or setting up a tripod. It also extends to 39 inches, and it comes with this great wireless Bluetooth button. It sits right in the handle, so you can use it when you are using the selfie stick mode, or you can bring it with you if you're setting up as a tripod. I love how easy this is to use, and it's super stable. Your phone isn't going to fall out of it, and you can feel really confident when you're using it that your phone is going to be perfectly secure. And it is so great for travel, especially since it packs down nice and small, and I think it is the perfect companion to take on your next vacation so you can capture all those memories.
So if you're looking for a great little selfie stick or tripod, get this. It's the best of both worlds, and that is my point of view.